There are 6 people. Each person is wearing 2 shoes. How can you find how many shoes they're wearing in all? Use counters to help you solve. We could draw a picture. That's what we've done before. So let's start with that. So we're going to draw a picture. So how many people do I need? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 people here, and they each need to get 2 shoes. So let's go ahead and use the counters as the shoes. 1, 2. 1, 2. Well, it makes sense for them each to need 2 shoes because they have 2 feet. Alrighty, I want you to go ahead and count how many shoes are there in total. Well, you could count by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, till you get all the way down here, and you get to 12. But I think there's a quicker way. Look how these are separated out. We can see that each of these people have 2. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So by counting by 2s, it's an easier way for us to figure this problem out. We're going to learn how to use a table to do that. So I can use number patterns to solve problems. Here it says number of people. Well, we knew we had 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we ended up just counting by 2s to solve it. So as long as we keep these in the same columns as we're counting, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, we can see that that's a way quicker way to solve this problem than to draw the picture. Let's go ahead and we're going to do one of these examples. Here it says each leaf has 2 ladybugs. There are 5 leaves. How many ladybugs are there in all? Well, we have 2 ladybugs, 5 leaves. Then we know how many ladybugs are in all, but remember that each leaf has 2 ladybugs. They want us to know how many are in all. So the number of leaves is easy enough for us to fill in because it tells us right away how many leaves there are. 5. So let's go ahead and we'll fill that part in. So there's 5 leaves. Then all we have to do down here is count by 2s because each of these leaves will have 2 on them. We'll count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we found how many ladybugs there were total. How many? It was 10 ladybugs total on all of those leaves. 10. Let's try this one. It says each box has 5 pencils. Keep in mind, it says each. There are 4 boxes. So that means that in each box, there are 5 pencils. How many pencils are there in all? Well, again, we can use a table like this to find the pattern. Let's first fill in number of boxes. Well, how many boxes were there? 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of pencils. Well, how many pencils were in each box? Each box has 5 pencils. So if each one has 5, instead of drawing that picture and putting 5 in every single one, let's just count by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So how many pencils total? 20 pencils. Your practice sheet is similar. I'm going to help you fill in the top row for each problem. Let's go ahead and read the directions. Find the number pattern. Fill in the tables to solve the problems. Bill got 8 bouquets of flowers. Each bouquet has 10 flowers. How many flowers did he get in all? Okay, well, we know the number of bouquets. It is 8. 8 bouquets. So let's fill in this top part together. 2. They already gave us the 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they told us that there are 10 flowers in each bouquet. Well, we could draw a picture, or we could just count by tens. 10, 20, and then I want you to keep on counting by tens, and you will find out how many flowers in 8 bouquets. Because all you have to do is count by 10. Let's take a look at this next one. It says each panther has 2 eyes. Okay, again, remember it says each, so we don't know how many panthers there are yet. There are 6 panthers. Now we know. How many eyes in all? Okay, let's fill in the table. Number of panthers. How many panthers are there? 2? No, because that says eyes after it. We need panthers. There are 6 panthers. Let's go ahead and fill in this top part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many eyes does each panther have? Well, kind of just like you and me, we have 2 eyes. So we could just count by 2s for number of eyes to solve this. 2, 4, and I'm going to stop right there. You need to fill in the rest. And you'll just need to count by 2. Here is the last one. There is no words, but there's a picture. It says number of kids, number of balloons. Okay, well, let's first see how many kids are there. Did you say 4 kids? So we're going to fill that in right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next part in the table says number of balloons, and I'm guessing they want to know the total of balloons. Well, you could count every single balloon, but that would take a while. How many balloons does each kid have in their hands? Well, they each have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are excellent counters at counting by 5. So why don't you just count by 5 to figure this out? 5, 10, 15, and then you write the numbers down here, and you'll see how many balloons they have total.